Ganeshilaal was born in Sirsa, Haryana, with a brilliant academic career. He holds a degree in English honors. He further went on to gain a postgraduate degree in mathematics. He was brilliant in studies and stood first class in FA, BA, and MA and a gold medalist. After completing his education, he became an academician and served as a professor in various government colleges of Haryana between 1964 and 1991. Professor Dr. Ganeshilaal was sworn in as Honorable Governor of Odisha on 29th of May 2018. Now, it is the time to felicitate Honorable Governor of Odisha. May I request Sri A. Rajarajan, Director SDSC SAR, to felicitate Honorable Governor of Odisha with a rocket model of Gaganyaan and a citation. Sir.